Today, subscribers, we're going to be making grilled pineapple. So new viewers, subscribe so you get some more awesome recipes like this. Also, I've got a special guest chef. Da-na-na-na. Nana. Alright, so Nana's going to help us. We've already got our grill nice and hot, and I don't know if I mentioned this in every video, but I always pre-grease with a little bit of olive oil on a rag. So this grill is ready to go. In the bowl, it's a little warm. Half a cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Nana, if you would, mix that up together. While she's mixing that, I'm going to show you what we're going to be grilling. These are simple pineapple slices. This happens to be canned pineapple. If you got access to a fresh one, feel free. So 1 can of pineapples to that ratio, and then we'll add them on. We've gone ahead and combined this. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And all we're going to do is sprinkle it right on top. And then, Nana, you're going to have to get your hands a little dirty here and try to rub them in a little bit so that we get every side. We want all sides coated. As you can see, I've got my hands a little dirty, and that's okay. Nice coating. We're going to go straight to our grill here. Just lay them on, 2 to 3 minutes aside. Remember, these are thin, so you got to be gentle with them when you're flipping them. I recommend using a tong. About 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get them flipped over. You can see them getting a little bit of the char. Remember, I said that they're a little bit slippery, a little bit delicate, so you just got to be careful. But that's what we want. We want a nice grill mark. It may look dark, but that's the molasses from the brown sugar. It's perfectly fine, and it's going to add a nice smoky flavor to it. Spend 3 more minutes on this side. I'm just dumping them right back into the container that I had. That is okay, it's not raw meat. We've got them onto a cutting board, and Nana is going to go ahead and cut these up into just little bite-sized chunks. One thing that you always want to do is have somebody sample your wares.
I don't want that.
You don't want that. You want that. It's nice and sweet and yummy, huh? Well, 3-year-old finicky, 5-year-old digging life. This makes for a great little side dish, dessert, and a salad topper. So, you know the drill. Say thanks to Nana. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what you want me to do as far as suggestions. That's right, I'm asking for suggestions. Otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.